Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to be making miniature back to school supplies. I started with these little post-it flags and cut them down to miniature size. Then I put them on the plastic that they came on. Then I took a little bit of the top of the packaging to make the label. Next, I took these full-size erasers and used my X-Acto knife and cut it down into a miniature size, making sure to angle the edges. Next, I took some index cards and used my paper cutter and cut them down to size. Then I used some of the packaging and wrapped them all together and hot glued the back. For this binder, I cut a section off of a folder and I folded it almost in half, but leaving room for the spine of the binder. Then I used a piece of white paper and glued it in the spine of the binder. Next, I took a paper clip and some needle nose pliers and kind of wrapped it around the end of the needle nose to make a little circle. Once I had 3 that were pretty close in size, I glued them on. I cut a strip off the front of the large composition book and then I kind of rounded the corners on the right side and then did the same with paper. And then I ran the glue stick over everything before I put the binding on. And lastly, I cut out a little shape and glued it on the front. I took these dowel rods and I cut some about 1 inch long to make markers. I also took some toothpicks and then painted them a dark yellow color. I painted the ends pink and then I came back with a silver metallic paint and did a stripe between the pencil and the eraser. And then I painted the pointy end black. Then I took the dowel rods again and cut even shorter sections, painted them white. And then I came back and painted the lids all different colors. And to finish them off, I did a stripe on the opposite end as the lid. To make this folder with pockets, I cut out a folder shape, leaving extra room at the bottom, and then just folded it up and glued it in place. I took this little pencil case from the Dollar Tree, cut a strip of the blue out, and drew out a pattern to make a little box shape. Then I cut a strip of the pink, the same length as my little box, and wrapped it around the box and glued it in place. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.